Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by boiling some water and put the tomato into this water for like a few minutes, just it's gonna be easier to peel them. One suggestion, just cross shaped cut the end of the tomato before to put them in. So after, in a container you're gonna put the flour mixed with salt already. Then you're gonna add this mix you can see in a glass. It's dried yeast and water, which are left on the side, cover for like 15 minutes. So you're gonna mix it with your hand just like this together. And then you add the olive oil. So every quantity you're gonna need, you can find them in the description below. And you keep mixing. So after that you're gonna knead the dough on the work plan. So your dough have to become like kind of flexible and elastic. So keep kneading. Then you're gonna form a bowl just like this with the dough, and you put it in the container, which you're gonna cover with wet cloth, clean one of course, and you leave it until it's double in volume. And here you go. Then once it's double, just spread some flour on your work plan, and you're gonna knead the dough again, just like this. You're gonna make your pizza dough. So me, like you can see, I'm cutting the dough in two because I prefer having like two small pizza with two different toppings. But of course, if you want one big one, it's okay, just leave it like this. So work your dough just a bit again, have to become like really elastic, So you can do with the pastry roll, with your hands, just like this. And try to make it a round pizza dough. So yeah, if you want, you can use just like me, like something like this, to cut it round. And that's it. Then just make the other one like this and leave them on the side. Then you're gonna finish your tomato sauce. You take back the tomatoes, you peel them, and then after that you're gonna cut them in half and empty them. So as you can see, I already cut the leaf basil and the garlic cloves, just like this. Then after, you're gonna cut your tomato in small pieces. Don't have to be like nice pieces because you're gonna blend them, you're gonna make it a sauce. Then you're gonna put them into the blender. So add the leaf basil and the cloves, garlic, and you blend them together. Then after, heat a saucepan on medium-low heat and just leave it for a few minutes. So in the meantime, you can do the topping for the first pizza, which I'm putting some cream. So it's fresh cream, just like this. Just spread everywhere. Just leave like 1 centimeter on the edge for the crust. And then you add the salmon pieces. Like you cut small pieces just like this, add them on top. Oh, I forgot also, don't forget to preheat your oven 250 degrees. And then spread some grated cheese on top. And that's it. So for the second pizza, when my tomato sauce is ready, you spread your tomato sauce onto the dough. So you don't have to be like perfectly cooked, the tomato sauce, before you spread it, because you're gonna put it in the oven anyway. It's just like this is no liquids. So same, you leave 1 centimeter on the edges for the crust. And you add some grated cheese. Then a bit of goat cheese. And then leaf basil. Then after, you're gonna cook them in the oven for around 10 minutes, but always check every time because you never know, it might be cooked before. And once they're ready, I suggest you to put some olive oil around on the crust to make it less hot. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video.